warning for northeastern Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 4:45 p.m. At 4:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Brackney, or 8 miles out of Binghamton, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Montrose, Halstead, New Milford, Great Bend, Lakeview, Salt Springs State Park, Lakeside, and LACKAWANNA. Thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. for southwestern Broome and north central Susquehanna counties. At 3:53